Talk a little bit also about the challenges, specific challenges that you see financial technology addressing in the systems.
Yeah, basically, the point is how do we better lives? Because banking is all about providing solutions, financial solutions to the people. So basically, what are we trying to achieve? To make sure that there's convenience, speed, and value. Basically, that's all that digital technology is doing, is to create value, convenience, because you no longer need to go to the four walls of banking. You stay in your bedroom. In fact, if you see what was suggested in the morning session, that flexible banking hours, 247 banking, where institution where you can do banking at all times. So it's solving bridging those interventions will bridge the kind of problems being presently as well. The world is evolving, it's dynamic, it's changing, and we have to change with, because the whole idea, before now, there are a lot of things that we're doing today that we couldn't do. If you had told someone that as soon as you just press the button on your phone, the money is over there, nobody would have ever believed it. So it is evolving. As it's evolved, what happens is that how do we solve man's problem? And that also comes into financing, and that is what the digital revolution is going to achieve.
Analysts, experts like you have predicted that given the next 5 years, we'll be seeing 62 to 65% of transactions being carried out via digital means. And how much of penetration are we anticipating in the Nigerian climate, given this trend that is permeating the global system?
Yeah. It is amazing that, you see, what we have witnessed is that Nigeria, I make bold to say Nigeria is not going to miss out in the fourth revolution, which is the digital world. Because we have our young ones who are quite adept with what is going on. You find out that Mark Zuckerberg came into the country. Why? It's because of the amazing skills that is, abundant in this country, and the kind of things that they are also ready to do. Young graduates, they want to make sure that they also identify what gaps are in the economy and see how they can bridge it. We have young, talented individuals in this country. What has been the missing link is the ability to give them the enough support in terms of venture capital, in terms of supporting them, banking supporting, or even government regulations that will make sure that these budding talents are, achieve and maximize their potential. So I'm not afraid that, right now, the banking system in Nigeria, in terms of the digital, mobile banking, various banking, electronic banking, we are not doing badly. I don't know whether in Europe, if you draw money now, you get an alert. That was pioneered here, and we're doing quite a lot of things that are going to happen more because, one, the blockchain technology is there for everybody to leverage on, and Nigeria is not doing badly. All we need is the right infrastructure, the right environment and climate, and that's why we're calling on the government to support this great move. Yesterday we had the conference, and the Minister for Trade and Investment was there, and the Communication Minister was also there, and they're quite amazing that, yes, this present government is ready to support that revolution. So we expect that a ratio of 65% penetration strategy will be achieved.
Well, that was Dr. Uche Olowu, the Vice President of the Chartered Institute, first Vice President of the Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria, speaking on financial technology there. In the meantime, the International Labour Organization has warned that the slow economic growth globally will render 70 million young women and men unemployed this year. The organization says global economic growth in 2017 and 2018 would be insufficient to start reducing global unemployment, which is expected to rise to 201 million in the period. Speaking at the International Monetary and Financial Committee meeting, the ILO Director General Guy Ryder says prolonged period of slow growth since the global financial crisis was damaging productivity. According to him, policies are needed to revive the positive relationship between productivity and real wage growth through increased investment, innovation, sustainable enterprise creation, and decent work. And to the markets now. The equities markets advanced with the all-share index climbing 0.28% to 25,818.87 points. The total volume of trades declined by 39.82% to 127.43 million shares, valued at 909.33 million naira, and exchanged in 3,176 deals. At the NASD OTC securities market, the unlisted securities index dropped by 1.42%, with the market capitalization closing at 405.71 billion naira in just 11 deals. Investors bought a total volume of 67,650 securities, valued at 8.87 million naira. And at the debt market, the bond segment of the market closed on a bullish note, with 86% of traded bonds attracting investor interest. The average yield is 8 basis points to 16.50%. The FMDQ market securities with maturity date of 15th of July 2021 pulled the highest value of 8.24 billion naira at a price high of 95 naira 19 kobo. It was followed by a security maturing January 22, 2026, and then March 17, 2027, and March 18, 2036. In all, the value of the FBN bond traded was 14.67 billion naira in 39 deals. Likewise, at the Treasury bill segment of the market, investors remained upbeat in the Treasury bills market, with average yield contracting by 8 basis points to 18.23%. Security maturing May 25, 2017 got the highest deal, with a discount high of 16.40%. In 701 deals, investors put in about 205 billion naira. We'll take a quick break. When we return, we'll look at the energy market. Do stay with us.